All right, welcome everybody to Arbistars 2.0, where winning is the only option. This is the Sunday weekly Zoom call. Here, I'm Crypto Bren. Appreciate you guys coming on the call this week. We have some very important information to go over with you guys. I am not directly connected with Arbistar 2.0, but I am an active promoter, USA distributor, and marketer. So I don't talk on behalf of Arbistar. I'll give you guys all the information I can that's presented to me. We have some new products that just came out, and the personal bot is live. I believe Yogi has already made some profit on it, but we'll get right into that as soon as we can. But welcome to Arbistar, everybody, where winning is the only option. All right, so this is the corporate team here with Arbistar, all starting with Victor France. He's a director of development and technology. He has a master in technology and computing at Oxford University, creator of the Arbistar software. He's a supervisor of the technical development team. And right here is Diego Felipe Fernandez. He's the director of operations. More than 10 years of experience in digital marketing, coordinating of departments. Santi Fuentes, the executive director, he has 30 years of experience in the leading and developing of commercial teams and referral marketing. He supervises of the referral network. And moving down to the development team, we have partnered up with Moon Shuttle, guys. If you're not familiar with Moon Shuttle, they're a web, mobile, and blockchain development company. This is actually Victor France's company. Him and Diego met, clicked it off, and Diego came up with the name of Arbistar 2.0. All right, so his business partners, Perry D. Canhoot, systems architect, and Matthew Rodriguez, front-end developer. And another company has partnered up with Arbistar 2.0, multicore.io. They're a development and cybersecurity company. We got Tehun Bahout is full stack developer, and Geetan Delbart is a security specialist here. And moving down to the headquarters of Arbistar 2.0, me, Zach, Yogi, Chris, and Oliver actually visited Arbistar, met Santi, met Laura, met the support team, wined and dined, and the place is real. Here's some pictures on the grand opening of Arbistar 2.0 in the corporate headquarters there in Tenerife, Spain. Yes, just an island off of South Africa, about 150 kilometers. And it's a beautiful place, guys. Paradise. I highly suggest you guys go check that out. If you guys want to go visit Arbistar 2.0, you can just set up an appointment with them, contact Arbistar support, and they'll go ahead and get things situated for you guys to come visit them. So check out these pictures here. Check out the address here. And let's go ahead and move down to the arbitrage products here. In Arbistar 2.0, we have a personal bot, and I'll explain to you guys the type of trading that we do and what's so cool about Arbistar 2.0. So we basically take advantage of the price differences for the same cryptocurrency in 2 or more exchanges. So for example, we have Binance right here at a price at $12,381. Let's just say that's what Bitcoin's price is on this exchange. And on Poloniex, there's a price difference of $12,421. All right, so obviously you see a different price margin. Buy Bitcoin low on one exchange, you send it to this exchange, and you sell it at the exact price, and you're pocketing the price difference. Pretty cool concept. That's what our software does here in Arbistar 2.0. All right, so moving down to the products, we have a more simple version. Instead of the personal bot, we have the community bot. This is a more 100% automatic trading bot where you can simply start off with a 300 euro minimum, 50,000 euro maximum contribution in Bitcoin. Your profits are in Bitcoin, and your payouts are on every Saturday. So the company will take 30% profit for you to participate in the community bot, because simply they have a software which, when you invest or contribute 300 euros or 50,000 euros, they'll send it to their own exchanges. They'll trade for you, and they give you back profit. They take 30% cut, leaving you with 70% yield as profit. All right. Okay, so moving down to the personal bot. Right here is our star product here, guys, the beast, the one that's going to make you a lot of profits. We've had a lot of good results and success with this product. And starting off, there's only limited bots of 5,000. We already have over, I believe, 3,000 2,500 to 3,000 bots already sold. Is that right, Zach? I forget the exact number, but correct me if I'm wrong. This type of personal bot does parallel arbitrage, intra-exchange, and fully automated. All right, so it connects up to 13 different cryptocurrency exchanges. As you can see right here, this is what it would look like in your back office. Bittrex, Kraken, Bitfinex, Poloniex, GDAX, HitBTC, BitMEX, Bitstamp, Huobi, Binance, Sex.io, Deribit, and OKEx. And there's actually some more exchanges added in the back office as well. All right, so this personal investment without limits, meaning it will trade as long as it sees profit. It'll arbitrage for you, has different types of arbitraging available here. And so you have total control of your assets, guys, since your crypto is staying on your own personal exchanges. So you're going to have to open up your own personal exchange. To each exchange you want to link to your software. Okay. License is for 24 months. Once you purchase it, it's yours for 2 years. The price of this personal bot is 5,000 euros. All right, and so another incentive that we have for people that want to promote our company, Arbistar 2.0, and sell the community bot and personal bots, we're going to compensate the ones that want to participate. It's totally optional, guys. You do not have to do it, but you will earn 2% of the performance of all the contributions made by your team in the community bot up to 5 levels deep every Saturday. You will earn 6% of the sales of the personal bots. That's 300 euros each up to 5 levels. And there are also 3 very profitable bonuses for those who reach certain requirements, which some of us here on the call have reached this first bonus, second bonus, and premium world bonus, being me and Zach. So it's very lucrative compensation plan, guys. If you guys want to look more into that, definitely help you guys out with that. Okay, but what's so cool about Arbistar, guys, we have actually partnered up with a company called Union Pay, where you can spend your Bitcoin either in US dollar or euros. This is the Arbipay card. All right, has some different features available, have some specs. Obviously, this is in Spanish, but we'll give you guys the English version in your back office. So I'll have you a description of this in English, which I'll go over here in a second. And these are the official links, guys. You own here your own business and a unique opportunity to expand arbitrage trading all around the world. All right, so first of all, it's very important that you educate yourself about it before you promote this, before you market this. Okay, so go to the Arbistar official website here. If you just click on this link, it'll bring you to Arbistar. Okay, and this is the YouTube channel. There's some success calls here, tutorials, videos. There's some English content as well, voiceovers from the Wednesday Spanish Zoom calls that Stefan has created for us. This is the Zoom link, official success call for the Spanish community. This link that you guys clicked on today is the English Zoom call, which I'm going over right now. All right, this will tell you the different times. That's 8 p.m. Madrid time and Sunday at 1 p.m. English New York time. And this is the official Facebook page. Click on that link to check that out. Go like it, go share it. And this is the official profile on Instagram. And this is the support, any support issues that you guys have. Go ahead and click on this link right there. Help you guys out. But we do not sell dreams. We sell technological solutions with built-in freedom. This is a quote by Santi Fuentes, the CEO of Arbistar 2.0. And that basically concludes the new presentation here, English presentation, Arbistar 2.0, guys. If you guys want to follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, go ahead and do so. And I will be answering questions if you guys have anything related to Arbistar, if it's the corporate office, the team, how arbitraging works, the community bot, how that works, and the personal bot. The personal bot has just come out. We have officially just launched the bot. You're able to purchase a personal bot. Once we sell 5,000 bots, the products are gone. So let me just do a new share real quick. All right, hold on one second, guys. So this is the website here in Arbistar 2.0. If you guys want to check out the website, if you guys are confused on who we are, do your due diligence, look into them. But other than that, I wanted to show you guys the new products that have came out here in Arbistar 2.0. Let me just help you guys with this. All right. So we're here on the Arbitrage Passive Legends. If you guys haven't added yourselves to this Facebook group, I highly suggest that you guys do. These are the future products here in Arbistar 2.0. More real products are coming. This is the Pipester bot, the Pipster bot, where this is the fully automated bot that's going to be integrated into the personal bot. So it's 100% passive. All right. So those people that had the questions, is the personal bot passive like the community bot? Yes, it will be here in a couple weeks. I know people that have already had a personal bot. The term of the 2 years has not yet started until this automated bot is integrated and live. All right, so we have some other bots available here too, guys. Yogi, do you want to go over this a little bit? If you want to unmute yourself, you go over this a little bit and explain to the people what this is about.
Okay, yeah, can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you fine.
Okay, so yeah, there's 4 new, well, we were told about 4 new products that are being launched, and they're all related to the Forex market, not the crypto market. Have you got the Pipster one there first? Because that's the one, yeah. So basically, this is one of the 4. The Pipster box is, sorry, the Pipster bot is margin trading. There's a lot of companies out there that do hedge trading. So like what they do, they average out your trade. So if there's a sell order in place and it's going against us, they'll place a double lot size. And if it's still going against us, they'll hedge it and double that. So you can wipe out your trades really quick like that. There's a lot of companies out there that do that, expert advisors they're called. But what this one does is slightly different. I don't know the ins and outs of how it's going to work, but they say it can counteract hedge trading. Now, I've been in Forex trade programs quite a bit, and they work for a while. And then when it really does go on a downtrend, then it just wipes out your account. So what Diego was saying on the call, that this is completely going to put that under the carpet. So look forward to that one. The next one, the Pipster Bot Plus. Yeah, so this is a similar one to the Pipster, but this is for high volume accounts. I think he said something like 30,000 euros and above, but it's going to do pretty much the same thing. So that's for, big users. That's all I know about it at the moment for that one. The trailer bot, this one doesn't do too many trades. However, when it does do a trade, if there's a strong downtrend, say of a currency like the British pound or something, it places trades when there's a strong downtrend or a strong uptrend. And Diego did make quite a bold claim saying, if it is on a strong uptrend or downtrend, you can literally double your money on one single trade. So this got me quite excited because I have never seen anything like this in the industry, and I've been doing it for quite a while. So yeah, look forward to that one. And
That's
I think
awesome.
there's one more. Yeah, the and bot. And with any Forex bot, and there's a lot out there, nothing can go against news. So if you have some like kind of election, you got the Brexit in the UK, no, doesn't matter how brilliant your software is, nothing can detect news. So if, for example, we've announced Brexit and the markets are all over the place, this bot, what he said was, it will detect it whether it's up or down. It's been in testing for about 3 months, this one. So again, on the news, you just don't know which way it's going to go. And despite what any other Forex bots say out there or what their testimonials are, I haven't seen one bot up to now that can detect which way a market's going to move on some major news. So it's quite exciting stuff, and I really do look forward to that. I think they're going to launch all of these once the personal bot is all fully up and running. So, once they've got it all sorted out, then we look forward to that. I think they're the ones, aren't they? They're the 4.
Yes, awesome. That was it, guys, for the new products for Arbistar 2.0. This is huge. We've been waiting for this. So it's very, very exciting. If you guys want to look more into the personal bot, let us know. Get up with your upline, and they will help you guys purchase a personal bot. It's 5,000 euros. I highly suggest you guys think about getting it soon, because once the 5,000 personal bots are sold, they're gone, and that's it. Okay, so take advantage of that. Take action. But we have some questions in the chat here. about some marketing material, funnels. Me and Zach are testing a messenger chat bot, which will basically, I don't know if you guys have heard of a messenger chat bot. It's to help market Arbistar 2.0 step-by-step process. It'll message the potential customer on, you know, understanding the material, who Arbistar is, like this presentation that I went over, a recording, short presentation, and it'll even help them set up their own wallet to even signing up and purchasing and getting active in the community bot or the personal bot. All right, so we do have funnels available, messenger chat bots available. For the personal bot, let's see who asked here. How much BTC is needed to trade in the exchanges by Alex Trader. So Arbistar recommends 0.2 or 0.3 Bitcoin in each exchange. And once again, guys, you don't have to have all 13 exchanges linked. You can have 2, 3, 4. I know people that are starting off with just 2. People in the US are very limited. I believe we only have about 3 to 5 exchanges available in the US just because they're cracking down. But we can help you guys. There's tutorials. I wanted to show you guys the back office of Arbistar of the personal bot here. And to kind of browse around the back office here, this is my exchange. I have a 3-year license, which we were doing a promotion. There are some people that have a 3-year license instead of a 2-year. That promotion has ended months ago. But here are the exchanges, guys. These are basically, you'll click on this, you'll set up your API key, your secret key, and you'll be able to synchronize your APIs through those exchanges, which are in your control, funded on your Bitcoin, and you have your trading symbols here. Pick your coins that you would like. You'd save it, and you'll be able to link those exchanges. I just have Bittrex, Kraken, and Binance, and I believe one more. I'm just waiting on GDAX to open up, and I'm going to start my trading. We have a Discord channel available for support, live support. I'm not going to go on to that because it's only for personal bot members only, for helping you guys sync your APIs into your bot. So we have some video tutorials here available for you guys. I've created some English content. There's also in Spanish. There's only 2 videos, but it's very self-explanatory, guys. Once you go through the process once, twice, this is for the exchange Poloniex. I just go over how to register into Poloniex, how to get verified and KYC'd, all that good stuff, and where to find your API and how to link it within your back office here in the personal bot section, okay? So watch these tutorials, guys. If you guys do have a personal bot, if you're interested in the personal bot, you won't have access to these tabs unless you purchase it in your back office. And once you go over it twice, you should be good to go.
Can you just go over the signals page as well?
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so here's signals. You want to go over this, Yogi?
Yeah, basically what this does, this isn't fully up and running yet because they've not synced it 100%, but every 10 or 15 minutes this will get refreshed. Now what this does, this actually tells you in the middle there you'll see percentages. That's literally how much profit you can make as per £100. I think it's per 100. I'm not too sure, but obviously 91% is a high profit, but you know, it will tell you what kind of volumes there. So like the top one is a good trade, but there's not much volume there. But once they've got it all sorted out and got all the exchanges synced up, you know, literally you can just pick your trade up, you know, make sure you've got those coins on that personal on that exchange, and then literally just press play, and that will be on your personal bot section, and then close it within seconds, and that trade would automatically happen against both exchanges. It really is that simple. That's the parallel trading. But the auto trading, for those people that haven't got the time and they just want to leave it on 24/7 and they don't want to switch their computer on, that one is also going to be launched very soon. They're just finishing off some few tweaks. Again, everything is there, and you know, if you do the parallel, the returns are quite higher than the auto one, but it does need a couple of hours in front of the computer every day. But this will be designed for everyone. They've got 3 extensions coming, so these signals is going to be a great help for everyone.
Yes, awesome. Thank you, Yogi, so much. Yogi is very knowledgeable in the trading space. It's very sophisticated. I'm glad to have him on the team to help me out here. But we're going to have tutorials, guys, basically helping you with this whole process, how to set up everything, how to set up your exchanges. If it's too advanced for you guys, I highly suggest just starting off in the community bot. And here, which is this tab right here, will show you guys the next trading cycle. If you guys want to look more into the personal bot, that's fine. We'll help you guys step by step. But let me just answer some questions a little bit.
There's a question there from Alex. How much loss per trade? Alex, this hasn't made a loss. This is actually arbitrage trading. So what it will do, it will find out, say, for example, if we look at Litecoin on one exchange and Litecoin on another exchange, one of the first few slides that Brendan showed, there is always a price difference. So the personal bot will not execute a trade if it can't, if there is a loss. Basically, it will literally buy and sell instantaneously in a minuscule of a second. So it doesn't carry any losses out there. It won't execute the trade if it's going to make a loss. So these percentages that you can see in the middle are the profits, but these are the really smaller coins. You've got the SBD. I've never even heard of those coins, but as you can see, the volumes on the left and right in white are very low. So it's very unlikely that we'll be able to do those trades. But if you scroll down a bit, Brendan, and then as you go along onto the next pages, yeah, if you just press next, you know, you will start seeing higher volumes happening, and, you know, the percentages will get lower because, like, look at that one there, that 5.4 Ethereum, MTL and Ethereum. So that's quite a good volume, but on the other exchange, it's not so great. So you'll just have to scroll down further until you do find one. But there are, once they've got all the exchanges linked, because right now they've only got about 4 or 5 linked, there's going to be so many. That's a good one. That looks like quite a good, you see 12% return, and sorry, that's in US dollars. So again, the volume isn't great, but I've been through all these, and later on there will be more because they'll have more exchanges linked, but they will not have a loss. Arbitrage is, the meaning of arbitrage is it is a win-win trade that will always take place. So I think they'll have the tutorials and they'll actually show trades happening. But yeah, as you go down, there'll be loads more trades.
Thank you, Yogi. Thank you, guys, for the questions. If you guys have any more, please let us know. We have a Discord link available, guys, that Chris just shared. If you want to go into the chat, add yourself to the Discord channel, and ask us some questions. Please join us on the Sunday Zoom calls where we can go over all this important information for you guys. But this is what the back office, the dashboard here in Arbistar 2.0. This is my back office. Show you guys a little bit of how this looks, how you can keep track of your network earnings, and how many people have joined last week, the date, and show you guys the different daily gain profit here with the community bot. All right, so this is a 100% passive income opportunity, guys. With the community bot, you don't have to do anything. You simply contribute and earn. I have about 1.5 Bitcoin here trading for me, and so far today's ROI, we've been seeing a steadily 0.7, 0.8. 0.8, 0.6, 0.7. And if you guys want to go to more grand scheme of things, you can come here and filter it through all earnings, commissions. You can do your profit right here, and it'll show you every single day on your total contribution how much you're making here with Arbistar 2.0 into the community profit. All right, so as you can see, the last couple weeks have been a very steadily upcline from 0.6 or higher. We've seen everything even up to a 0.9%. It ranges, guys. We're not one of those companies. We're guaranteed 1% daily. It's not one of those. It really determines on the price difference of the arbitraging and the market. Okay, so Arbistar will handle your funds. They will take care of the profit. They take 30% off the top. So the percentage that you see here, take 30% off, and that's your profit total. So if this doesn't add up to be 0.76, that's the reason why. Okay, so other than that, guys, let's see what else I wanted to go over with you guys. Let me get my notes. Hold on. All right. Yes, I think that's it. But other than that, if you guys have any questions, please let us know. So starting with 2 exchanges with 0.2 BTC is possible. Any idea how long it could take then to have another 0.2 BTC profit to open a third one? Yogi?
I think, is that relating to how much money that it's going to make, starting with 2 exchanges with?
I believe so.
Yeah, well, that's a difficult one to answer because we don't know how much profit it's going to trade, how much it's going to generate, but it will generate more than what the community bot is generating.
Yes, correct.
But we can't actually say it's going to be this much. But from previous success calls that we've heard, they can say it's going to be between like 1 and 10% per week. It will be more than 1 because the community bot is bringing in more than 1. There was one live trade that they did in Milan, and they did it live in front of the audience. I don't know if you've seen that call, but again, if you go on the Arbistar YouTube channel, it is there. That one trade, again, this might just be a one-off, but that one trade generated 16%, if I'm not mistaken, on one trade. So it's a bit hit and miss, depends on the market and depends on what coins there are. So, you know, it's, yeah, that channel there is somewhere there that they, yeah, the profits aren't guaranteed, as Chris said there. But I mean, the returns, there is going to be profit. There won't be losses. But as with the semi-automated one, you know, you could get
Operation of the personal bot right here by Diego. It's one of these videos, right? You're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, scroll through these videos, guys. Check it out. This is a very crucial video to understand Moon Shuttle and how Arbistar was created with Victor France. And it's a very, very important call. You're gonna have to read subtitles as it's in Italian, I believe, or French.
We put it in the Arbitrar Passive Legends group today. I actually put it in this morning. So
okay,
that one is that video is so good. I mean, I loved it because it goes to show you know, not just Diego and Santi, but there are other people behind this, other companies working on Arbistar. So you know,
yes,
it's on the
there
it is. You just passed it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so it's very important for you guys to honestly start off watching this video, understanding who Victor France is, his history, his successes, his failures, and where he was and where he is today, and how Arbistar was actually created with him and Diego. And they brought Santi Fuentes on, obviously, for the MLM side of the company, which has been a huge help in the development of Arbistar. Go to Arbitrage Passive Legends. I'll share this, guys, to you. Hopefully, you guys are all in the Facebook group. Make sure you guys are all staying connected with the Discord channel, YouTube channel, Discord, and come on these weekly Zoom calls, guys. And we'll help you guys with your questions as much as we can. We try to support you guys 100%, helping you guys just scroll through this. And you guys should be able to understand this fully. So other than that, here's a little video that Yogi did on his personal buy. He spent all day trying to figure out some strategies. He actually made some profit there in Bitcoin, which is really, really cool. Yogi, congratulations on that. But yeah, guys, we do don't worry about the Spanish Zoom calls. We have Stefan that does an English translation here for these successes. Very important calls to get the day after they're done with it. Usually on Thursday we get those videos, but other than that, that's basically about it, guys. I appreciate you guys coming on the Zoom call and hearing us talk and show you guys about the community bot, personal bot. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and unmute yourselves and we'll help you guys the best we can. But let's see. Yes, it is in French subtitles. Awesome. Thank you, Gina. Thank you, Tamori. Is it possible to have the QR2FA setup done manually for benefit of those who doesn't have more than one device? I'm not sure I understand that question.
No, what I would suggest everyone to do, and especially new members, is when you have to set up the QR code, it has to be scanned on Google Authenticator, and there is one more app. But what I tell my people to do is always take a screenshot of it first. Keep that in a safe place or even print it out, because if you do lose your phone or your phone crashes, you know, you have to email support and they have to generate a new one. in any software that you use, if you have to scan a QR code for 2FA, you can't do it manually. You know, always take a screenshot of it first, then scan it, because once you've scanned it, it will disappear in case your account gets hacked and stuff. So you can only have it on one device working. But if you in future you do upgrade your phone or you change your phone, you can literally go back to your printout and scan it again, because when you transfer your details over, the QR code, the Google Authenticator codes will not move over onto your new phone. So that's why you do need to scan it. It can't be done manually.
Yes, and another good topic to go over is when you guys have your two-factor authentication, make sure that you set it up properly, and when you do it, you don't have to log in. Like a lot of people think two-factor authentication, you have to have it for your login. You don't have to set that up. Sorry, guys. So make sure that you guys understand the only reason for the 2FA is for when you want to change your Bitcoin address, or if you want to compound or withdraw your profits. All right, so you don't need it to actually log in. All right, so there's just little things like that we just need to clear up if you guys are having problems with. Other than that, I think that's about it. Yogi, Chris, do you guys have anything?
No, I'm good, Brendan. I have nothing at the moment.
Okay, Yasmin, do you have anything? You okay? Okay, awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us here this Sunday. Depending on where you are in the world, it's probably Monday, morning, evening, afternoon. We do this every Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern, and it's 5 p.m. UK time. Join us next Sunday. We're doing, every Friday, guys, we're doing a giveaway for 300 euros or more. The first giveaway we did for new participants that want to join Arbistar. It's very simple. Follow me, Yogi, Chris, and Zach. We'll have you guys love, comment, and share one of our posts. We're going to be doing it tomorrow, making the post. So keep an eye out on our post and telling your friends, telling your family that we're doing a giveaway. And we'll be announcing them Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern US, New York time. And I believe it's 8 p.m. UK time. Okay. So come and join us, guys, on the giveaways. We're going to be giving away at least 4 300 euro positions. Is that right, Yogi, Chris? Is that what we're going to do? I think we will.
I'm not sure. We'll sort it out tomorrow what it is. But yeah, we did 4, didn't we? And then we threw another one in, I think the first one that we did. So
yeah. So it's the time of giving, guys. We're trying to help people out that don't have an account. This is for new members. If you have a family member or somebody that's been on the fence, come out there and check us out. It's actually on another Zoom link. So make sure you read the post and click on that Zoom link, save it. Save this Zoom link for the Sunday calls. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for coming. Appreciate you guys' time. Get up with your uplines, whoever's presented this opportunity to you. Reach out to them, let them know that you want to sign up, get started in the community bot, or if you're interested in the personal bot, let us know. We'll help you guys the best we can. But thank you so much. We'll see you guys on the next Zoom call. Bye-bye now.
Cheers, Brendan. Thanks.
Cheers. Bye-bye.